Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a lizard. Let's start off on the head with a line curving over like so for an eye, a short line under it on this side for the top of the head, and a line from this end that comes down and out before swooping under like so for the mouth. Next, over here, draw a big arch that goes up and over like so for the other eye, followed by a curved vertical line here for the back of the head, and underneath, a line that curves under like so for the bottom of the head. From the back of the head, add a line that curves over to the right for the back, that swoops up into an S shape for the tail. Then, swoop that back down along the S shape, making it wider towards the body like so. To start the leg, draw a big curve here with a short line that turns back like this. And to the right, a line curving back like this with another turn back also. And to finish off the leg, we can draw 3 bumps at the bottom for the toes. Then, connect that end with this end here to finish off the leg. For the front leg, draw a line with a bend in it over here, followed by another bent line here, but a little bit smaller. And finish it off by drawing 3 more toes at the bottom. Between the legs, draw a long line across here for the belly. Then, a gentle S shape from the front leg to the head for the neck and chest. Now, just copy the legs slightly to the left for the ones on the other side. That's looking great already. Let's add the final touches. On the eye, draw a big circle with a smaller circle in the upper right. Then, color the big one in. On the top of the nose, draw 2 short lines like so for the nostrils. And with a thin line, connect these 2 ends on the chest area, a line across the belly here, and one more going up along the tail here. On the back, draw a few curved U-shapes with more thin lines for the pattern on our lizard's back. With 2 small ovals along the forehead here. And now you've got a lizard. If you have any requests or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. And check out these videos for more.